In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find Kit product sale transaction history. When you are selling products through Kit, it is important to know where to look for your sales records. The transaction history is where Kit lists the individual product sales and related activity, and it is also where you can quickly narrow results to a specific period and download a file for your own records. To begin, sign in to your Kit account and go to the main navigation. First, click Earn and then select Products. This takes you into the Products area, where Kit organizes everything connected to what you sell, including performance and sales activity. Once you are on the Products page, look for the Transactions sub-tab and click it. The Transactions view is designed for reviewing your product sale activity in a clean, list-style format. You will typically see entries that correspond to individual transactions, which makes it easier to confirm what happened and when. Next, set the time frame you want to review. Find the Date Range filter and select your desired range. Choose a range that matches what you need, such as a recent week, a full month, or a custom window if you are reconciling numbers across specific dates. After you apply the date range, take a moment to confirm that the list reflects the period you selected. This helps you avoid exporting more data than you need, especially if you are only preparing a report for a certain cycle. When you have the correct transactions showing, click Export. Kit will download a CSV file containing the transaction history for the filtered time frame. A CSV file can be opened in most spreadsheet tools, so you can sort, search, total amounts, or save a copy for bookkeeping. If you do not immediately see the download, check your browser downloads area and confirm that pop-ups or download blocking is not preventing the file from saving. After the export finishes, you can store the file in a dedicated folder for easy access later, especially if you export regularly for accounting or reporting. That covers everything you need to know.